Okay, I have taken it off, and you will have something like this. Not exactly, but very close. So from here measure 81 millimeters and cut it. Once you cut it, you will have to insert pretty easily here. Original shaft, everything I had the same inner diameter as I have here, but your plane is kind of old. We figured that it's not even classic, it's from the first series, so I don't know if they have the same diameter of the shaft. But anyway, if it doesn't fit, if it's bigger, then just ask someone to using lathe machine to make the diameter smaller. It doesn't have to be very tight, but it should be minimum play. Okay? So next thing you have to do is to drill the shaft to correspond to this hole. This hole has a metric thread. It's M5, and I will include the screw in the package, so you don't have to buy it. But anyway, if you need some metric screws, I don't think it's a problem to find them in the US. So, as you can see, here and here, the holes are perpendicular to the bar. It has been preset by this belt, and same as here. So this means the column, the yoke handle is in the neutral position. So to keep it in the neutral position, you have to put the yoke here, and I'm using just one hand, not very convenient. Okay, so put the yoke here and put it in the neutral position and fix it somehow. Then you know that this is also in the neutral position, so using a marker you can mark the neutral position here, and this hole is 10 millimeters, exactly 10 millimeters from here, so from the bottom. So now you have a mark where exactly to drill it, and then measure 10 millimeters, and then you have a mark where to drill. While drilling, try to be as precise as possible, because the hole needs to be on the top here, on the top, because if it goes this way or this way, it will not fit here. And to do so, we use CNC machine. I don't know if you can ask someone to drill it using CNC machine, or you will do it yourself. If you do it yourself and you don't get it right from the first time, don't worry. You can actually take there's the yoke here, you can take it off, turn it like 90 degrees, then put the yoke back in the neutral position, and then you have another opportunity to drill. But try to be precise. Okay, that's all for this video.